Hello! Today I am going to show you how you can enjoy dessert without cheating on your healthy diet. Sound good? Of course it does. Who doesn't want to be able to enjoy dessert, right? This is a recipe for orange chia pudding. So delish. I can't wait to show you. This is a super easy recipe. All you have to do is throw all the ingredients into a bowl, mix it up, put it in the refrigerator overnight, and voila, you are done. Okay, let's go through the ingredients real quick. First, you need about 1.5 cups of almond milk. You can use another non-dairy alternative, perhaps coconut milk if you prefer. Then 6 tablespoons of chia seeds. Then you're going to need a tablespoon of stevia. You can use any sweetener that you like, actually, as long as it measures cup for cup like sugar. You may want to choose something like monk fruit powder. Then you'll take a teaspoon of orange zest. Orange zest is merely the rind of an orange, grated rind of an orange. You'll also need half a teaspoon of vanilla, and then just a pinch of sea salt. As I said, you want to mix that all up nice and complete so everything is combined really well. A note about orange zest: when you're grating an orange, you want to be sure to stay away from the white of the rind, because the white, it's called the pith of an orange. The pith is the bitter part of the orange. So stick with the orange part of the rind and you'll have a nice sweet dessert. Okay, so once this is thoroughly combined and mixed up, you just put it in the refrigerator overnight, and you will end up with this great pudding consistency. Take a dessert dish or a glass and fill it up. Yummy, yummy, yummy. Nice full glass of dessert. And then an optional topping of a couple of orange slices. And there you go. Dessert, orange chia pudding. So very good. Enjoy dessert without cheating on your healthy diet. I'm Dr. Venus. Stay fit, be happy.